Next group of supporting tasks emphasize the auditor's responsibility to provide assurance throughout the entire life cycle of information systems, from system development and implementation through operational management, data governance, and privacy protection. As organizations increasingly rely on digital transformation, cloud computing, enterprise architecture, and data-driven decision-making, IS auditors must evaluate whether technology processes are effectively governed, operationally resilient, and aligned with business objectives while maintaining regulatory compliance and information security. These responsibilities extend beyond technical control testing and require a comprehensive understanding of governance, operational excellence, and organizational risk management. The first responsibility is to evaluate controls at all stages of the Information Systems Development Lifecycle, SDLC. Effective governance requires security, control, and compliance considerations to be embedded throughout planning, requirements analysis, system design, development, testing, implementation, maintenance, and retirement. Auditors examine whether change controls, segregation of duties, approval processes, documentation standards, secure coding practices, and quality assurance activities are integrated into development methodologies such as waterfall, agile, or DevOps. Controls implemented early in the SDLC significantly reduce operational risk while improving system reliability and long-term maintainability. Closely related is the requirement to evaluate the readiness of information systems for implementation and migration into production environments. Before deployment, systems should undergo comprehensive testing, including functional testing, integration testing, performance testing, security validation, user acceptance testing, UAT, and infrastructure readiness assessments. Auditors verify that identified defects have been resolved, management approvals obtained, rollback procedures established, and production support teams adequately prepared. Controlled migration minimizes implementation risk while ensuring business continuity and operational stability during system transitions. Following deployment, auditors must conduct post-implementation reviews to determine whether project deliverables, controls, and business requirements have been successfully achieved. Post-implementation assessments compare actual outcomes with approved project objectives, budgets, schedules, and expected business benefits while identifying lessons learned and opportunities for improvement. These reviews also verify whether implemented security controls operate effectively within the production environment and whether the organization realizes the anticipated strategic and operational value from its technology investments. Operational effectiveness depends heavily on user support capabilities. Accordingly, auditors evaluate whether effective processes are in place to support end users through service desks, incident management procedures, knowledge management systems, training programs, escalation processes, and technical support functions. Efficient end-user support contributes to system adoption, operational productivity, customer satisfaction, and business continuity by minimizing service interruptions and resolving technical issues within defined service-level expectations. Another critical responsibility is to evaluate whether IT service management, ITSM, practices align with organizational requirements. Frameworks such as ITIL promote structured management of incidents, problems, changes, releases, service requests, and configuration management. Auditors assess whether service management processes support business priorities through effective governance, performance monitoring, service-level agreements, SLAs, continual improvement, and customer-focused delivery. Mature ITSM practices strengthen operational resilience while improving service quality and technology governance. Technology governance also requires periodic strategic evaluation through reviews of information systems and enterprise architecture, EA. Enterprise architecture provides an integrated blueprint connecting business strategy, applications, data, infrastructure, and technology capabilities. Auditors determine whether existing information systems continue to align with organizational objectives, digital transformation initiatives, and evolving business requirements while identifying redundant systems, architectural weaknesses, technical debt, and opportunities for modernization or optimization. Operational sustainability further depends upon effective IT operations and maintenance practices. Auditors evaluate system monitoring, preventive maintenance, patch management, configuration management, capacity planning, performance optimization, operational documentation, and maintenance scheduling to ensure technology environments remain secure, available, and efficient throughout their lifecycle. Proactive operational management reduces downtime, improves service reliability, and strengthens organizational resilience against operational disruptions and cybersecurity threats. The final supporting tasks emphasize information governance by requiring auditors to evaluate database management practices, data governance programs, and organizational privacy programs. Database governance includes integrity controls, backup procedures, access management, performance optimization, and recovery capabilities supporting critical business information. Data governance establishes ownership, classification, quality standards, lifecycle management, and stewardship responsibilities that enable trustworthy business information while maintaining regulatory compliance. Privacy governance extends these responsibilities through policies governing personal information collection, processing, storage, sharing, retention, and disposal while ensuring compliance with applicable privacy regulations and organizational ethical standards. Collectively, supporting tasks demonstrate that modern IS auditors provide independent assurance over the entire technology lifecycle by integrating systems development governance, operational excellence, enterprise architecture, data management, and privacy protection into a unified framework supporting organizational strategy, resilience, and digital trust.